Well, my people, so in Wednesday's publication of the Star on November 21st, 2018, Pat Messino, which is a renowned journalist according to the publication, that was in Jamaica, participated in a music conference. She said that dancehall is not striving, and she gave her take on why she thinks dancehall is not striving and why people think that it is, which she was saying that like in the early 80s and the early 90s and the early 2000s, that's when dancehall was striving, and but now that it's 2017, there was she see no movement of dancehall, and the misconception is, according to the article, is that the Afrobeat that was centralized in the Europe and the US market. That's why she thinks people get that misconception. However, even though I agree with most of what she said in the article, I disagree with that, because everyone knows dancehall different. Because she's saying that dancehall is identifying now as Afrobeat, and people confuse the genre because the Afrobeat has become more mainstream. You know what I mean? But people, as far as I know and see, most of what she is saying is most of the sentiment a lot of people share. Because she's saying that the authenticity of the reggae and the dancehallness, that's what people are going for, and it's not there anymore. It's kind of been diluted, you know what I mean, which a lot of people were saying that, even though, as I'm saying, that people still like the original beat, and the original beat is what really push dancehall in a more uplifting way. People like Taurus Riley like the chop beat, which is a mix of dancehall and hip-hop. So even though she's saying that the original beat and the authenticity is what people are looking for, some people still like the hip-hop kind of flavor. Because when I Don't Do, yeah, that was kind of a hip-hop beat, and I Don't song was one of the hottest songs for 2 consecutive years. You know what I mean? So I don't know how true her findings are about dancehall, but she have an interesting views, sitting on a panel, and a journalistic panel for over 20 years, and being an overview of it. You know what I mean? I'm not gonna denounce what she's saying, but I have to say that what she's saying about the Afrobeat being centralized and people are actually saying it's a dancehall thing, I don't think that is it, because people like Popcorn, which she mentioned, Popcorn have the authenticity there about his music, you know what I mean, and people still love Popcorn, you know what I mean. So I don't know if everything she's saying is true, but most of the article I can agree with, you know what I mean. So that's just our findings still, but that's from my perspective. I don't think Afrobeat has nothing to do with dancehall not being successful. I think it's just the content, and because dancehall artists, they're so rebellious in their lyrics, because a lot of them known for not condoning certain things, and people look at that too, you know what I mean. So that's just my perspective, and that's just hers, you know what I mean. But I think dancehall is growing slowly but surely. You see me? Big up on yourself, people. Peace. I'm out.
Work in the country, you have to look on. And him do great works too, because even though him the jail, him still be the champion DJ boy, and some boy will say them didn't want him go jail.
The biggest dancehall analyst in the world, Ninja Man. The biggest dancehall analyst in the world, Ninja Man. I am saying that. Winfred Williams. Take me on that if you wish.